Today I'll teach you guys how to change your Spotify's playlist picture. Now in order to change the playlist picture, you need to be the creator or the owner of the playlist. You cannot change the picture of others' playlist, alright? So you need to click on your profile picture at the top left of your screen and click on view profile at the top. From over here, all the playlist you have created is going to be shown. So I want to change the picture of the playlist called Kevin's favorite music. So I'm going to click on the playlist. Once I'm inside the playlist, I can see the three dot. I need to click on the three dot and then I need to click on edit. Once I'm inside edit, you can see the option called change image. I need to click on change image and then I can choose a photo from my library or click on take photo and use my phone's camera to take a photo. So I will use my phone's camera to take a random picture. This is going to be my profile picture for my new album. So once I do this, I can click on use photo, and as you guys can see, this is basically going to be my Spotify's new playlist picture. I can click on save change and it is going to be changed. That is how you guys can change your Spotify's playlist picture. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.